Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. COVID cases are on the rise, with over 126,000 new cases reported Saturday alone, and over 1,000 deaths on Saturday as well. On Wednesday, the White House Chief of Staff, Mark Meadows, was tested positive for COVID, and the same with 4 other members of the White House staff was also tested positive. Y'all, with all these cases coming from the White House, do you think it's time to lock the White House down? They're so in a hurry to lock everything else down. So why don't we lock down the White House? There's a lot of cases going on in there. And I wonder just how many of them are positive in the White House that we don't know about yet. These positive cases from the White House are taking it home to their families, to their loved ones, to the people that they meet in the grocery store. They're spreading it like wildfire. I say it's time to lock the White House down. They're in such a hurry to lock down everything else for the common people like us. So why don't they lock down the White House? There's a lot of COVID going on in the White House. Right now, it's a lot of other countries that are beginning to lock down. And my fear is that we will be locking down very soon. We will be following this lockdown trend. You know what happens in the UK normally finds its way to America soon after. And the number of new cases indicates a lockdown of some kind is coming soon. Y'all, please check the links in the description box if you want a stun gun, pepper spray, or tactical knife. I only have a few more left, and when these are gone, I won't be getting any more until after the first of the year. So if you want them for Christmas gifts, you better get them now. There was a lot of comments on my video yesterday saying that Joe Biden is not the president yet. And that is true. Donald Trump is still in office. But all the news media outlets and the Associated Press has said that Joe Biden has won. And that has always been the case before. When the Associated Press declares the winner, it normally sticks. But this time, well, is a little different. That being said, all votes are not counted yet. The electoral vote has not voted yet. And Trump still has a few lawsuits out, and he says there's more to come. And there are some potential recounts. So all of that together, could Donald Trump still take the presidency? He could. It's not very likely. All indications show that Joe Biden will be the next president of the United States. Whether you like it or not, that's just the facts. Even though we had the best voter turnout in history, there was some that still didn't vote that could have voted. So if the person that you wanted to win did not win, you have these people to thank for that, for not doing their civic duty of getting out and voting their vote. Y'all, please check out the links in the description box below. Also, I have a new website and a new channel. Please check those out. It's the Olive Branch. They are also in the description below. Please check the Olive Branch website out. Everything on that website is free. Everything is downloadable. All you got to do is just click a button and it automatically downloads. I don't even ask for your email address for that. So be sure and check it out. It might be something on that website that you want. Also, please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and let me know what you think about, should the White House lock down? I think they should, but I want to know what you think. Y'all, we will get out of this smelling like a rose. We will get out of this as the victor. It's up to us. Do we want to play the game of we lost, we're the victim? Do we want that? Do we want to be the victim, or do we want to be the victor? I want to be the victor, and I'm taking the high road. Y'all, everybody that I voted for did not win. I'm okay with that, because at the end of the day, I know who's in charge. Jesus Christ is in charge, and he will see us through this. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. I love you all. Ciao.